Yeah. So mistake number one is doing bookkeeping yourself. And this
Mm,
is a bad idea for two reasons. First of all, it's a terrible use of your time as an entrepreneur. Even if you're a new entrepreneur, first year of your company, running an agency, your time needs to be focused on marketing, sales, hiring, strategic decisions, not on bookkeeping. And I know so many entrepreneurs who are spending those 10 hours a month, or they're doing it on weekends, or they're trying to cram it in and they fall behind and they cram it even more next month. So it's bad use of your time. And second of all, and we see this all the time when we're pricing new clients, I would say 9 out of 10 times when people try to do their own books, they don't do it correctly. And down the line, you just have to pay someone to redo all the work anyway. So you kind of end up with the double negative where you've wasted your time and wasted money. And cleaning up a mess always costs more than just doing it right from day one. My other kind of point off this, and this kind of blew my mind when we started Accounts Balance, is these different bookkeeping companies that sell a course on how to use QuickBooks, how to do your own bookkeeping. Don't take those courses. Don't buy those courses. As an entrepreneur, that is not where you should be spending your time. There's so much more you can learn from Josh and people in the space of how to grow your agency. You don't need to know how to reconcile in QuickBooks. And even if you were a CPA in another life, it's still a terrible use of your time. The other thing, if you're new, because I kind of hear this a lot where, hey, I'm going to do it myself until I can afford a bookkeeper. It's got to be factored into your initial cost of starting any business. You're probably not going out of business because of your monthly bookkeeping expense. Like our minimum is $299 a month. There's people out there cheaper than us, but you will go out of business if you don't understand your numbers or you're making decisions based on poor numbers. That's going to hurt you a lot more. So make sure bookkeeping is factored in from day one and hire a professional to do it.
love it. So don't try and do it yourself, right? There's a much higher and better use of your time than learning how to manage